Welcome back to another episode of Ticky Tacky Toys.
We got another two cars here. One a buggy, sorry, not buggy, like a buggy, off-road as well, and indoors. And we,
Sonic race car.
which comes like you know the Sonic game.
Yeah.
It looks the same, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it exactly looks like it.
Team Sonic
Okay.
Racing.
Oh, what is it called?
Team Sonic Racing.
Team Sonic Racing. So
Yeah.
that's exactly the one.
Yeah.
Replica of here. Yes.
Actually, Shadow.
Is remote control, what is it?
Jamie.
You got on off button. Okay.
Silver. There's all the Sonic characters.
Okay. All these cars need batteries. They don't need to be charged.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a good thing.
Yeah.
And all these guys need what is it? Batteries. So all of them, far as I know, is AA batteries, isn't it? No batteries? Let's put batteries. Up I get a screwdriver. There you go. I got a screwdriver ready. These remotes, I think they already have a battery. Yeah, you can see. So battery there. The red light flashes. So let's see the buggy. You want a screwdriver?
Yeah.
Do you want to take it off? Okay, let me take this off and I give it to you. You take that off, okay? Okay, got to be careful. There you go. I just take it. I give it to Daniel so he can put the batteries in. There you go. There's 4 batteries for you there. It takes 4 batteries. 4 AA. Do you want to show them? That's it. 4 AA. 1, 2, 3, 4 AA batteries.
I already just put it down.
1, yeah.
Still ready.
Have we done it? No. Okay. Let me help you. I'll put this. So just take this off and that's for James Sonic one. So I'm just going to do that one. Put the bottom first. Yes. Okay.
Can I
You need a screwdriver. Okay. No. Wait till Daniel finishes. Can I just quickly get it? Sorry. 1 second. Let me take this off.
I think I'm done.
Have you? Come on, guys. Come on, screw.
I'm almost done actually.
Okay.
I need to drive it.
I don't like these screws things, you know. Can I get it, please? See? Yeah? Do you want a screwdriver? Just give me one. I'll give you, wait. Okay, finally come up. Wait till Daniel finishes. That slides open. Oh. So that come off like this. 2 AA batteries for these. I've got them here for the Sonic one. So I put these slides. Put it on. Slides is on.
No, it's tight.
Yeah, it's enough. If it's tight, it's enough. No need to tight too much.
Okay, it's tight.
Okay, let me put screwdriver. Okay. Want to take that panel off so we can put the battery.
Screwdriver things are actually really fun. I actually like these grip things. I really like these.
Let me put this in.
See the way that they have these dots? This is what I like.
What's
This
wrong?
is what I like. I said gimme. See how the way they have these grips? This is what I like in this car.
Okay.
This
See.
is what I like.
Check. Is it working? Okay. Let me put these. Open this one. Let's put the batteries for this one. I think it is it.
Yeah, this is the boost. I think this is the boost.
Is it?
This is the boost.
Okay. We haven't tried to put. Okay. This one got 4 AA batteries again. So we have 4 AA batteries. Yeah. I'll put that in. 4 AA batteries.
Yeah, battery.
There you go, guys. It's going to be there. Back flip goes front.
And then
I don't like this screw stuff, you know. I like these flick open ones.
it's just time.
It takes time
Yeah.
and annoying, to be honest.
Yeah.
But safety wise, quite good. So there you go. That's James. It's ready.
Then where's the mine?
Okay, let's see. Is it working? Yeah. See, if you see these guys, this one is. This one, it's what is it?
Glows in the dark.
Yeah, that's glows on the dark. Yeah, we could check it out as well. This one, what is it? Indoor one.
Yeah.
But this can be outdoor and indoor as well. So let's see. Okay, that's James. Oh, we got a light. See? Yeah, he got a light. That's okay. James, you want?
Just like the Team Sonic Racing game.
What we're going to do as usual, we're going to do a small trial drive here. Once we finish, as usual, we'll go
to go downstairs and to see the difference of which is best or slow.
We do the test drive downstairs
Yeah.
for a few minutes, then come up and finish the video.
Yeah.
Until then, stay tuned. Let's try. Here, come on. Yeah. Do you want to show them how does it?
How does it work? Yeah. Show them how does it work? Yeah.
Okay, put it on here. Let's see. Drive. Oh, oh. Both of them slipped open. Come on.
Mine just left.
That's what I told you. Don't drop it off the table. Come on. Let's see. Both of them got guys in there. See, this one got an actual racer inside, and this one got Sonic.
Yeah.
Where's the head?
Oh.
Uh-oh. It's fell. Okay, we'll find it. That's fine. Carry on.
Head.
Yeah, we'll find it. Okay.
Where's head?
We will find it.
No.
Okay. Let's go downstairs. We're going to meet you in downstairs in a second, sir, guys. Come on.
Oh, broken.
Hi guys, we're back downstairs now. So we're going to test out both of these trucks now.
Yeah.
So let's see. Yeah, come on. See, the Sonic got a light. Come on. James is doing it. Daniel doing it as well. Don't pick it up. Lay it on the floor. I'm driving. Use your remote. Come on. Use your remote. Yeah. Yeah.
You can see the side.
Is it hurt? Oh my God! James got hurt by the buggy. Buggy ran over his feet. Come on. Okay. Come on. You Hulk. You must be strong. Is he crashing?
Yeah.
Okay. You escape. Come on. He hurt again. Daniel, don't hit James.
Okay.
Come on.
I'm just so excited to hit James's car.
Don't hit his car. You play. So let's him play and they can shoot his car performances. Come on. Come on, James. Oh, you got the backlights as well. When you go back, it's red. Go forward, it's white. It's nice. Come on, guys. James. Come on, come on. Oh. He's talking over the camera. Between James's legs. Come on. Come on, James. Come on. Come on, James. Come on. It's okay. Come on, please.
It went over my feet.
Is it?
Yeah.
Come on, James. Okay, do you want to swap the cars now?
Yeah.
Let's see. James, take the other one.
Swap.
Okay, swap. Let's see. Okay, come on. Let's see. Come on. Hey! Yay! Come on, James. Come on. Yes. Come on. Yes.
I
You win. Yes, you win. Come on, James.
win.
It's Clash of the Titans. Let's see. Sonic or the Buggy. Come on. Clash of the Titans. Come on. Okay, come on. Come on. Is it? Okay, come on. Do it again.
You see that the way that it's going left?
Oh. Clash of the Titans. Come on.
I'm gonna get you.
Okay, come on.
I think the boost doesn't work.
Is it? It's just a boost button for no reason, I think. Maybe to trick you guys.
No.
Backwards? Oh, he's doing the stairs again. Okay, let's see. What does it do in the stairs, Cole? Oh. This is too small for these stairs, you see. It's not like the rock crawler we used to, we did it the other day. No.
Mine always ends.
No, not too far. Not too far, come down. No, not too far. You're gonna break it.
Too far.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna put it back.
Now put it into third one. Third stage. Third one. Yes, it's landed.
Yeah.
It's landed. Oh my God. Yeah. Did you see that? flipped and have landed it right up.
How does mine land all the time?
Come on, let's say, James. Come on, James.
Maybe
Come on,
I'm
James.
getting lost.
Yo, oh.
One, two, three, four. What? Okay. What? I didn't have that much speed. We'll try that again.
Okay.
Okay, Grace. Didn't work. So you look at that.
Okay.
Whoa! Like two here.
Yay, landed! It landed. It landed, yes.
Again.
Yeah. It landed again.
1, 2, 5, go.
Oh my god, it landed again.
I like the way that Sonic lights
Yeah,
up.
this Sonic racing car is better than the one we had. Which one is it?
The
hoverboard. No, the hoverboard. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay guys, I think you guys seen enough. How does these two work? So we're gonna go upstairs and finish off the video. What is it?
It's no battery.
Is it no battery?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go upstairs and we change the battery, okay? And we're going upstairs now to finish off this video and see you upstairs. Come on.
Is this video?
Hi guys, welcome back again. And we tested out downstairs
Yeah.
the buggy and the Sonic. So would I say good, both of them? Quite good. I wouldn't say anything bad about it.
I give 5 out of 5.
It's a 5 out of 5 for Sonic. Good. That's an indoor one. Maybe if it's a flat surface, nice surface, it might be outdoor as well, but not on this grass and stuff like that one. This one probably an outdoor one, and it's good in indoor as well. Nice grip on the wheels and quite good.
Yeah.
Very good cars.
Yeah.
I gave a 5 out of 5 for these. That one, just because lagging the outdoor option, so I just gave a 5 out of 4. See, James still enjoying it. He wants a Sonic. And what about James? Daniel? You still enjoying it?
I actually give 5 out of 5 to this
Okay.
too.
Yes.
Where's Shag?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. Yeah, we need to find it. Okay. So this is a nice one. Sonic, like the one in the racing. So
Lights up at the back and the front. That's
yes,
my favorite.
is it? Okay. So what we do now? We will finish off with this now. Then we will meet you in another episode. See you in another episode with another 2 cars, maybe 1 car, or maybe no. We don't even know.
No.
So thank you for watching. James.
Ticky Tacky Toys. Ding ding ding.
Yeah, see, he remind me. Don't forget to press the bell button, not for the notification. Ding ding ding. Okay, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye bye from Ticky Tacky Toys.
Bye. Ticky from Daniel and James.
Daniel and James. See you guys. See you next time on another episode. See you again. Bye for now, and I'll salute. Stay go.
Bye.
Hey, like this. Hold it like this. Like this. Oh, bye bye.
Bye bye.
James, do it. James, do it. James, do it.
Oh, bye bye. Bye.
Yeah, see you guys. Bye for now.
Bye bye. Bye bye.